In this video, we will show you how to hide your online status, turn off your last seen status, and turn off your read receipts on WhatsApp. Use the clickable sections below to keep track of all the steps during the tutorial. When you receive a WhatsApp message, don't open it right away. First, turn on your airplane mode. Now, you can open your message and even send a response if you like. After, close WhatsApp and turn off your airplane mode. First, open your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Second, select Settings from the menu at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. In Settings, select Account. In the Account page, find and select Privacy. Tap Last Seen to change your online status. You have two options to hide your online or last seen status. You can choose for only My Contacts to see your status, or for nobody to see your status. Once you've made a selection, your online or last seen status will be visible to just your contacts, or no one at all, depending on your selection. First, open WhatsApp. Then go to Settings. Click on Account. Navigate to Privacy. Then switch off Read Receipts.